The engines at Tidmouth Sheds were finally waking up in the beautiful morning. Birds were chirping and flowers were blooming. And then Sir Topham Hatt and his car pulled up. Then he had a talk with James. "So you see, James, we're having a new playground open near Crovan's Gate. We need your help with it."
What do you want me to do, sir?
Well, before you help with that, we do have an engine that needs to be taken to Crovan's Gate Works.
Oh, all right then, sir.
He said, confused. "Could you please go to the scrapyard at Barrow and Furnace and get a blue engine with a gold lining at the top of his funnel?"
Yes, sir?
About an hour later, he got to Barrow and Furnace.
That was tiresome. I went very fast.
"So, James, do you see a..." Then his driver spotted it. A blue old-looking engine with rust all over him and gold at the top of his funnel. "That's him. We should hook him up onto a flatbed."
Oh no! Are we going to be scrapping this engine?
"Well, I don't know. I highly doubt we would scrap an engine, but I'm not the Fat Controller."
Oh dear, I don't want to be responsible for scrapping an engine.
"He did say we would take him to Crovan's Gate Works. Maybe he's getting restored." Then they hitched up the old engine on to the flatbed. The old engine woke up from his heavy sleep. "Hey, what's going on here? What's going on here? Hey, hey, hey!" he screamed as he was being lifted up onto the flatbed by the wench. "What are you doing to me? What are you doing to me?"
Oh, quiet down. We're just trying to help you.
"I'm too old for this. I don't want to move ever again. I'm tired. Do you know what it's like to work on British railways during the Industrial Age?" he said angrily. "I just want rest. I just want peace. I just want rest."
Well, if you stayed here for much longer, you wouldn't be rested at all. I'm going to let you in on a secret. Once, I was taking a scrap train here many years ago in the 60s. I heard an engine being cut up. 20 minutes of horrific screams. Trust me, I don't care how much work you've done. Scrap isn't worth rest.
"Fine." Then, as they heard the honking of diesels behind them, James puffed off in a rush. "Come on, James! Faster, faster!" They heard diesels revving their engines.
Driver, full throttle!
They puffed as fast as they could. Eventually, they got to Sodor.
Phew! We're all right. We're all right. Oh, I can now puff at normal speed.
Then they got to Crovan's Gate Works.
All right, I'm just gonna leave you here.
"Thank you, James. Thank you."
Of course. What's your name?
"My name is Vic, or Victor."
Well, I'm glad to meet you, Victor. Goodbye, Victor. I hope you get fixed up.
"Me too, I guess. I don't think I want to work again, though." The next day, James was taking a local train. James's next stop was at Crovan's Gate Station, but after he saw something in the distance, he stopped a little before.
Victor?
"Hi, James."
They've turned you into a playground engine, and your new coat of paint looks beautiful. Maybe not as good as mine.
"Thank you, James. This way I don't have to work, and I can finally have my peace."
I'm happy to hear it.
He said as he puffed off happily and said,
Goodbye, Victor!
"Goodbye, James."